Hi, good people, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. You know how hard it is to get these settings right. One bad part of being a content creator or a motor vlogger is that you have to get your video quality right. You need to get your audio right. I don't know if my audio is alright, but I think it's better than what it was. I think it is much better. Yeah, before we go anywhere, please, it takes a small amount of time for you to like and subscribe, and please do to support the local, the small channel. Really send you off the road, this one. So you need to be very careful if you are passing that curve. rest, guys. Enjoy the rest of your day. So for those of you who are wondering, what settings am I using on my GoPro? This is a Hero 11. This is a GoPro media mode. Unfortunately, I lost the wind muffler for the front and back mic. So basically what this does, it actually just allows you to plug in an external microphone there. So this is the GoPro now in the media mode, and once you put it in, you can actually see here that there is a meter showing showing the audio output. So literally this is it. This is all you need. And for the settings, you go here in the standard. These are my settings. I'm shooting in 4K 24 fps super view, and hyper smooth is on. Then you need to scroll down. You have 10-bit on, then bitrate standard, and then shutter speed 1/48. Shutter speed, you always have to make sure that your shutter speed is twice your frames, your frames per second. So if you're shooting in 4K 24 fps, you have to make sure that your shutter speed is 1:48. If you're shooting in 30 fps, you have to make sure that your shutter speed is 1/60. What does this do? It actually just allows you to have the motion blur. The motion blur is what we need, but what happens is when you put your shutter speed double the frame rate, it overexposes the scene. So that's where these little sunglasses come in handy. These are called ND filters. So they just correct, depending on the amount of sunlight that's there, they just correct your exposure to the scene, and that's about it. You'll be ready to rock and roll. And then about the audio, you realize if you put your mic in the helmet, you're gonna face a lot of problems, and this is what I've discovered. To whatever setting that you'll be using, make sure that if you come here on raw audio here, make sure that it's on low. You just set it to low, and then wind here, put it off. I think that's just about it. And you place make sure that you have a helmet that that is windproof, at least that doesn't make a lot of noises. That's about it. But I don't know if my audio is good enough, but so far this is where I am right now.